The vampire bat. Members of the subfamily Desmodontinae, who are leaf-nosed bats currently found in Central and South America. Their food source is the blood of other animals, a dietary trait called hematophagy, and they are one of only 3 species of bat that have evolved to feed exclusively on blood. With it currently being found only in Central and South America, and with its diet only consisting of blood, what do you really know about it? Join us as we learn a little more about this often misunderstood mammal. The vampire bat lineage diverged from its family 26 million years ago and is by far the most known bat worldwide. Unlike fruit bats, the vampire bats have short, conical muzzles, and also lack a nose leaf, instead having naked pads with U-shaped grooves at the tip. The common vampire bat also has specialized thermoreceptors on its nose, which aid the animal in locating areas where the blood flows close to the skin of its prey. A nucleus has been found in the brain of vampire bats that have a similar position and similar histology to the infrared receptor of infrared-sensing snakes. They hunt only when it is fully dark and they emit only low-energy sound pulses. They have front teeth that are specialized for cutting, and the back teeth are much smaller than in other bats. The inferior colliculus, the part of the bat's brain that processes sound, is well adapted to detecting the regular breathing sounds of sleeping animals that serve as its main food source. While other bats have almost lost the ability to maneuver on land, vampire bats can walk, jump, and even run by using a unique, bounding gait, in which the forelimbs instead of the hind limbs are used for force production, as the wings are much more powerful than the legs. They also have a high level of resistance to a group of blood-borne viruses known as endogenous retroviruses, which insert copies of their genetic material into their host's genome. Vampire bats tend to live in colonies in almost completely dark places, such as caves, old wells, hollow trees, and buildings. They range in Central to South America and live in arid to humid, tropical and subtropical areas. Vampire bat colony numbers can range from single digits to hundreds in roosting sites. They form strong bonds with other members of the colony, and a related unique adaptation of vampire bats is the sharing of food. A vampire bat can only survive about 2 days without feeding, yet they cannot be guaranteed of finding food every night. This poses a problem, so when a bat fails to find food, it will often beg another bat for food. A donor bat may regurgitate a small amount of blood to sustain the other member of the colony. Resident males mate with the females in their harems, and female offspring often remain in their natal groups, while male offspring are often forcibly removed after 2 years. Vampire bats on average live about 9 years when they are in their natural environment in the wild. So, what did you think of the vampire bat? Were you aware that they were only native to Central and South America? Drop a comment and let me know. Thank you for watching.